Have you ever heard the story of the 10 plagues of Egypt? It's an epic tale. So the Pharaoh was holding the Israelites as slaves, and Moses kept telling him, "Let my people go." But Pharaoh's heart was hardened, and he just wouldn't listen. So, boom, 10 plagues, one after another, hit Egypt. First, the Nile River turned to blood. Gross, right? Then came frogs everywhere, followed by swarms of gnats and flies. After that, all the livestock got sick. Then people and animals broke out in boils. Next up, a massive hailstorm of fire and ice rained down, followed by a huge swarm of locusts that ate everything left. Then total darkness covered the land for 3 days. Finally, the 10th and most devastating plague came. It was a pretty intense way to make a point, and after that, Pharaoh finally let the Israelites go. It's a powerful story about freedom and faith. Thanks for watching.